asɛm no wayɛ pinso etiefo asɛm na yɛ pinso denche em say me report trem say funny face any in cancer lewin serious social media beef any easy na the AC and say membrane mo latest on it etiefo ma membo mo latest kokonsa ye di kokonsa ngasa omo nya mo no mo so mbeko yanso ye ba report here wo so etiefo the latest esi ye and say afei na de funny face ebe ye bia odon say cancer le wen so aye na wodidi agro funny face ebe twa video say wo ma wo bi 1000 cedis ne pa kono say wo peska so de ko ye adwuma so de akọ school say den na funny face be twa video o ko share ne pa kono ma na 1000 cedis ye be ya ne say cancer le wen so aba be release video enso ache wo bi 1000 cedis say ne pa kono fan ko school na te sen cancer le wen de wa na adwen say the funny face be ye no wono cancer so be ye na te so de gu nanimu ase eho na te sen cancer le wen video na wo ye no in cancer le wen PA abrantie tietie bi na wo ta di in cancer le wen echi mate se ye fre no ahimfie na ahimfie de ne nsa ebo le wen car ne so ka se masa yen car ne de ye de yaye sika na eto yi amfa nchen na te se eye shorter ahimfie na wo di in cancer le wen echi no to ama funny face wo funny face car wo di yiku an ya wo bi na de chair eye new car eye adebayo ede chair funny face no it is asem ma ahimfie kan ye no na eye ade a eye funny face ya not knowing no sa ahimfie yi na eye ade a eye abo frɛ funny face epa funny face chow se funny face ma ni metwa ka so atrotro ni bi it asem mo ye si a wonu ahimfie no so ka bi no na funny face ka se hey wo kwa me ahimfie wa wo pa me chow se me fa wo me hye ka so atrotro mu no wo menya time ama wonso in cancer le wen di matema wonso u di matembi ena trese funny face ene kwa mi ahimfie e kasa ye ni na funny face record ena funny face e be bo record ne tre Ghana for na recording ni mu no asema funny face kan ne say le wen ni girlfriend a ye friend Sandra Abebio a wono nso owo kuma wood see ni mu no asi Sandra Abebio friend wono funny face no power no funny face ne kra chow eno ne nsema funny face ka tre ahimfio na we na Sandra Abebio so dabi ni profu e ma wa ba abonti abeye video Sandra Abebio yo bi asem sia won ba motin be kasa but ni profu because o see funny face twa ntwa to ne so ada ya ma fra wo power chow me power chow sesen wo se ya we he wo funny face penyi toto e na wo twa ntro say me fra wo se me power chow se me expose le wen funny face asem na wo ken ti Sandra Abebio say the koko apai wo se wono de woni le win any funny face e wo industry mu nkrofo mienu ye nkrofo bia enkola epomo asem ye as a colleague in the industry nkrofo mienu we ya enkola epomo asem enya ntokwa no de wono Sandra Abebio efa phone no friend le win ena le win ka che wono Sandra Abebio kan ne say wono le win de ade we wo fa ne say ya agro nti woni le ta funny face afa ne serious ena wono Sandra Abebio say wo san funny face try say oh funny le win si wono de ya agro no dio ade na wo wa funny serious a wo kasa na fe wo funny face twa ho be katra mansan say Sandra Abebio try frɛ wo poucho ena o say dabi wono Sandra want na say ema yense ni din sa wa peke kan sem papa ngotie
Eniema say I cook so social media and it's sometimes at time. Say some crabby say I have phone. What's it funny face? Funny face, what's it then? What's it I called you begging you to do what? Not to expose somebody. Are you kidding me? What's it I called you not to expose somebody? Like for real? Maybe Pharaoh will say may I expose you be. I don't normally do this, but what you're doing is up to here. Emit sign. You better stop it. Ade, I saw this on social media. I felt say as a colleague and you are even a brother. It's you know, my fafuna frequent, you may fafuna fre so. I catch you say, bra, near no. There are children, there are so many people that looks up to you. Enti no munjai. You understand? Mr. Omen, don't take things serious. Because when I called him, he was even laughing about it. But we were funny too serious. Intino, I was may say, oh, munchaso ehun here. And you had the guts to go and say, Enna, you've recorded, Enna, you've recorded what? That I begged you not to expose somebody. You are too matured for this. When you stop it. I mean, what is it? Stop it. Just stop it. No make a vex. Just stop it. No. How can two mature people be fighting and we can't even talk about it because the next minute he's saying different things, the next minute, or the Emma bloggers, the next minute, or can't different thing. Look, I don't do this. Don't let me start. So stop it. What is this? What is this? You're taking things, blowing things out of proportion. What is it? I mean, you are matured people. Ain't it so be who baby? Ever social media no fa phone. The friend will say, oh, funny, near mo ye no munjai, mu guye na. It is an industry. And you open our industry name. And then you could open so the industry name. It is when something is going wrong. Let's say me know what's I can pick up a phone and call you. Say, funny, what you people are doing is wrong. Kwajo, what you people are doing is wrong. It's munjai. Now munjai, I catch them. Me say, don't expose somebody. Like, are you for real? Are you serious? And that the battle line has been drawn. You must be out of your mind. What is it? What is it? And I will chow who be brave, oh pray, oh come there then. Oh come be brave. What is it? What is it? What is really your problem? O problem and Kasane saying. Oh come now with the child with child, and I will show what you have. Master, keep what you have. Nobody needs it. You telling me say me Sandra, you me friend was said don't expose somebody. Did I talk to you about that? The only thing I was telling you was Jai, funny me pow chow, Jai, Munjai, because this is an industry. Onam hodu, you are saying you are children's president. Children's president, collide di mochi, kwajon kansan collide di wechi, eti mumi enu Munjai no. Me boni am ye no. Me bonia me ye no, right? You are coming to say things and giving stuff to bloggers. You are too childish. Grow up. And stop being too overly emotional. I'm very disappointed in you. I told you this night that I'm very disappointed in you. How can I just call you as a brother and then you come back and then do what? And then what? Better stop it. Nejai say more common. Better stop it. Better stop it. Don't come and expose somebody. Expose it. When I smack us, don't expose somebody. Go and expose him. And stop what you're doing. Because too childish. And and you say, you better stop it. You better stop it. Now you are doing this and somebody cannot even call you to tell you, say, oh Jai, oh ni pass message Jai, oh ni pass message Jai, because the next minute we are on social media. The next minute we are on social media. You better stop it and get me and get my name out of your whatever interviews. Never ever mention my name anywhere. Oh, can't say so I cannot cry. Don't come and be twisting things and be saying because we'll pray to do. Massa.
Hey, only a banya asem. Now we yet. Sad the caminim yet. Sad only a banya asem no yet. Ma, also say it here for asem the baby do no ashino. Na dear eya ne ya ene say Funny Face came to paint the picture say Lewin Camp no one more power no Funny Face at show. And Sandra baby ehun said Dabi about say baba bonti ya da kasa. One time I say Emma Funny Face ain't say anything. It's here for asem we there. One baby akwa akodu. One baby asem na akwa akodu. Now sisi are those even around Lewin and at asem no akɔ hɔ mo montre mo adwon comment box ni mu me da ase